All right, everybody, it's Sunday, Labor Day weekend, opening day of dove season here in the state of Texas. I decided to put the fishing videos aside and let's do some hunting because it's the beginning of hunting season. We get together every year this weekend, probably for the last 15 or 20 years, as a family and friends and do a dove hunt. And I thought I would put this on the video and share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it because it's really a good time. You guys have a good day. God bless. Bird hunting this morning. Hadn't been in a couple of years. Missed that one. It's hard to believe. That gummit. And he was in the tree. Looks like everybody's rusty today.
Sounds like we should have done some practice.
Right? We'll shoot some skeet or something. Well, I nicked him. Oh, damn. That's behind you, Floyd. A little rusty. But at least they're flying. That's different than it has been for years. One down. One down. If I can find him. Damn, he would fall in the only spot that's not cut. It hasn't been trimmed. There's a ton of feathers right there. You bastard's hard to find. Gotta be right here somewhere. I mean, there's the feathers. Where's the freaking bird? Damn it. No. He fell in his thicket. I'm tired of looking for him. Huh? Well, there's feathers everywhere right here, but I don't see the bird. course, he would fall in the only spot that's not cut. And on top of that, I'm half blind. There's a ton of feathers right there. So he's got to be right here somewhere. Of course, he probably hit a hole and fell deep in that shit where you can't see him.
It's gonna hurt if you go to.
I don't have poison oak all over me.
You think you'd still be moving a little bit?
Oh no, I'm shooting a turkey choke. That so much is dead.
He's dead, dead?
Yeah. I smoked that one.
Yeah. Oh, right here.
Right where the feathers are. Yay! Thank you, Brooke. You're a good bird dog.
Yep. That trained you well.
I know.
No worry, lady. I got it.
Yeah, lady, don't worry about it. Get your ass out of here. I got me a bird dog. Hell, I missed one sitting in that freaking tree. Then I hit that one sky high. At least they're flying.
They're flying. Usually don't start flying good till about 8 o'clock.
Right? They're flying better than I expected them to. Damn. Where'd that other one go? Where'd that other one go? He's right out there somewhere.
Shells my gun fast enough.
Right? What? The way it used to be. He's coming back. He didn't turn.
Flags go. Oh, never mind. Come here, lady.
You get him, lady? Good girl. Bring it. Bring it. There you go. Good girl. You're a good dog, lady. You want a head? You want a head for that one?
Give her some head.
Get you some head. There you go. Here's your head. Damn, he bit my arm off. Just like Blue, you all about that head.
Yeah. Best part of hunting. Were they flying earlier? Yeah. I mean, this seemed to be flying alright. They don't start flying great till about 8 o'clock.
Yeah, 8:15, something like that.
Came here at perfect time.
Hell, I ought to have 3 right now, anyway. Damn, lady, it's all over your face. Must have been good head.
Hard to beat some good head.
Yeah. Get it on your face like that.
It's all over your face. I think you're doing it wrong.
Damn it, Zach, you've turned into a Floyd.
What do you mean?
Drinking beer this early in the morning.
I know.
I turned into a Zach. I figured I'd drink a little water.
Quitter. Where do you think I learned it from?
I do have some beer, though.
I figured you did. Some Bush Lights.
Yeah, I didn't bring much. I only brought a 6-pack.
I might not get you through the morning hunt.
I don't think I'm going to hunt this afternoon. I'm going to hunt this morning. Probably come back.
Tomorrow?
Probably, yeah, I'll probably come back tomorrow morning. Somebody got him. Yeah.
See where it fell? Yeah.
No, I didn't see it. Thought my name was Dad.
I said that 10 times.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I didn't even see you hit it. Get him, lady. Good girl. Find him. Good girl. Boy, Scott's shooting back there, ain't he? I bet he hadn't even killed one yet. He's like me.
And he doesn't usually shoot unless they're on the damn end of his gun.
Right? I can't even see them flying back there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like right there, I thought.
More peoples. More peoples. This is our annual opening day dove hunt. We hadn't done this in a long time. Family and friends. Doesn't get any better. Coming over, Zach. In the tree. All right, if I can't find that bird, I'm just fucking blind.
Floyd, you need me again?
I guess. I don't see that bitch anywhere.
I mean, when you shoot it out of the freaking tree, it's not even far.
Right, landing right here on the ground. There he is.
Right here.
Oh, it's a white wing. Sweet. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Young one. No, anyway, white wing. Good morning, bird.
You know Floyd has a YouTube channel?
No. You want me to be featured?
You're gonna be on it. You're on it right now. I got one right there and one on my chest.
Oh.
Next Saturday, that's what we're doing. We're gonna watch Floyd's videos. Scott over there. Brooke, left, up.
Yeah, I got one of them. See if I can find this one on my own. I don't have Brooke here anymore. She's done bailed out on me. Frickin' scissor tails piss me off. Get me excited. Can't do that at my age. That's why I don't date women. Get excited and it'd kill me. Huh?
Croissant.
What?
Breakfast sandwiches.
Oh, they're in the seat over there in that Bucky's bag. You want some water, Hunter? You want some water?
No.
Oh, you got your Coke.
I do, thank you.
Hard to hit them with this turkey choke, my gun. But when I hit them, they die. Forgot to take it out this. Huh?
I haven't even shot half a box of shell.
Oh, I have.
What do you got?
Well, I got 3 on the tailgate, and one's laying over by that tree. I can't find the damn thing. He's laying right there in the open. I killed him and shot at another one, and I didn't see exactly where he fell. One of these is Zach's. 2 of them's mine.
Fire, bitch.
It's legal. All right, I saw where that one fell. You can shoot them out of the trees now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When?
I passed that law 3 years ago.
He's in the tree?
Well, one flew when I killed that one. Now I watched him hit the ground. There he is. Yonder he is. Well, the bird dog needs to come over and find the one I can't find. I got another one laying here somewhere. Bird lady. Did you hit that one out there, Hunt?
Lady!
Lady! Bird lady! Oh.
They're not, I mean, you can hunt with them if you have them. They're just, they're not allowed to sell them
Lady,
anywhere.
you missed it.
You missed it, lady.
Lady, come get some head.
Bird!
Lady?
Come get the head, lady. Must not be too horny. Right here, Hunt. He ain't gonna turn.
Too far. I'll take a poke.
Shot over him.
Mother dick.
Damn it, Hunter. That's freaking beer abuse.
Damn Burley Bell bottle. Damn Burley Bell bottle.
All Burley Bell out.
They're turning, Hunter. Here they come. That bird lady, bird lady. Bird lady, bring it. Don't chew the damn thing up. You had your chance for head. You blew it. Lady, bring it. Bring it. Hey, give me that bird. Good girl. Good girl, lady. Good girl. I'll give you head if you come over here. Lady, lady, come here. Give you some head. Well, damn, did you chew that one or did you just swallow it? smoked right over me.
Missed it.
Boy, behind. I don't see it. Shot.
Hey, I got one of them.
Mike. Over here. Hunter. Behind you, dude. Boom. Come on.
Damn it. Follow through on
Bow model.
You should have taken a picture of him and sent it.
I'm all burlabowed out.
Barrel Road.
I'm gonna put him on YouTube.
Hey, they got like 4 heads for you, but you didn't come any of the times I called you.
Yeah, you literally didn't come.
Hell of a bird dog, isn't she?
Yeah, and the one that y'all were looking for was laying right in the middle of the truck.
Lady.
I found
Turn it, Hunter.
I'm better than her.
Here they come.
Right here, right here. Get both.
Alright.
There it is. Bird lady, bird lady.
That's the one I was aimed at.
Who killed that one?
Nelson, that thing's going right where you
Bird lady,
Yo,
bring it.
motherfucker.
Don't
killed
chew
that
the
one?
damn thing up. You had your chance for head.
Was it that one?
Blew
I
it.
shot the one you were shooting
I never even shot.
at. I
Like,
shot the one you were going to shoot at.
There's
Yeah.
one right here and there's one
Bring
over
it.
there.
Yeah,
Like,
one over there.
do that bird.
Skull.
You did? How'd you get him?
Yeah, she needs some work, Floyd. Good girl.
Keep your head if you come over here.
Not the first time you
Give her
said
some
that.
head.
Huh?
Jen has been finding them for me enough to give her some head.
Yeah. You gotta pay him off, dude.
Lady. Lady,
We cooking these things
Come
up later
That
or
will
what?
be 5 minutes.
some head.
Is there any we're gonna shoot at?
There's
Yeah.
one right here and there's one
Bring
over
it.
there.
Yeah,
Like,
one over
somewhere.
there.
Do that bird.
Skull.
You did? How'd you get him?
Yeah, she needs some work, Floyd. Good girl.
Keep your head if you come over here.
Not the first time you
Give
said
her some
that.
head.
Huh?
Jen has been finding them for me enough to give her some head.
Yeah. You gotta pay him off, dude.
Lady. Lady,
We cooking these things
Come
up later
That
or
will
what?
be 5 minutes.
some head.
Is there any college football today?
LSU and USC.
What time?
They're not
Damn, did you chew that one or just swallow it?
6:30.
6:30. Caramus. Come
Practice on the scissor tail.
What? Sweaty fuck. You got Grackle, really? What's the paint job, bro? Here
My
comes
paint's
two
already
up.
coming off. There you go. There you go. Nelson. Nelson, put your shoes up.
You smell fucking Nelson's sweaty ass armpits. I'm
Yeah.
tired. Oh, ladybug. You got any of that jerky in your pocket? Back to the
Behind you, Nelson.
What, bro?
Coming at you. Over the tank.
Behind you. God damn it. You turn it. Oh,
Shot.
bird
I knew
lady.
he was in that tree.
Alright.
There's a group coming over us.
There's some white
Scared.
wings. Maybe they'll start flying.
Have you killed a white wing yet?
Here comes one right here.
No.
No, they.
Only till morning though.
Only mornings. One right there.
Yeah, don't tell my dad I want to kill it.
Got him down.
That third shot was so unnecessary.
Oh no, it was necessary.
Are you gonna go get him?
Don't tell my dad I want to shoot it. I ain't telling him what.
Lady, can you find it or no?
The bird, lady.
I thought you.
Find a bird.
Alright.
Find a bird, lady.
Should get it.
Find it, lady.
Yeah.
Find a bird.
Yeah.
Here.
She will not leave till she finds it.
Oh. Should be pissed.
At the bottom of the bridge, we take a left, and then there was another bridge.
Oh yeah.
We saw the alligator.
Oh really?
Yeah.
In the Brazos?
Yeah. He was like, "What is that?" And I looked. I'm like,
Oh yeah, I read
That's
an
an
article.
alligator.
I read an article on Google that they've seen several of them.
Yeah, they said they got 6 of them
Yeah.
in there.
Damn.
I read something that they've been moving them
Damn,
from like
boy.
overpopulated places.
To the
Well,
Brazos.
2 of
Not
those
even
are
Not
in
nowhere
Brazil.
else, but like throughout Texas,
Oh.
they're like dropping them off because they're killing too many of the fish and stuff in different lakes.
He was